We are looking at the Aroma rice cooker, where cooking rice just became easier. Here we already added the water and rice. I should have washed my rice a little bit more, but I was kind of in a rush. But yeah, I just plugged it in and just push down this button and start cooking. That's all you have to do. And eventually it's going to click back up sometime for 20 minutes or so. It's going to switch to warm. Alright, it clicked over to warm and the rice is cooked. I usually like to let the rice rest for another 5 minutes or so. But if you want to reduce the boiling over of the rice, you just have to properly wash them to get rid of most of the starch, and then add a little bit of oil or add a little bit of butter, and that should help it. Now it's almost time to eat. Added the rice to some vegetables. Gonna add some Balsan barbecue sauce here and mix that in. Now it's time to eat, and this has been the Aroma rice cooker.